Welcome, friends. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to learn about the importance of locking a cell while dragging a formula into the surrounding cells. Okay, I will illustrate it with an example. We have a small table over here. We have a table in which we have the name, points, and the percentage. Okay, so here what we are the percentage means the percentage of the total. Okay, of the total points. So here, if I want to get the percentage for Salim, the first row, I will just click equal sign, then select the point for Salim and divide it by the total. Okay, 215. That's F10. Click on that. So you'll be getting a value. You have to convert it into percentage by clicking on the percentage symbol in the ribbon above. Okay, yeah. So that's 10 percentage of the total for Salim. So if you want to get the percentage for the other candidates like Matt, Manu, Jane, we just need to drag it, right? So I'm just going to drag it. So, but what we see is we are getting an error message like div, hash div, something like that. That's an error message. That means the formula has been broken. So let's see what's the reason behind this issue. So if I click on the percentage corresponding to Matt, for that, let us check the formula for Salim. For Salim, it's F3 divided by F10. F3 is the point for Salim, and F10 is the total value. Okay. So when we take the formula for Matt, it's is F4 by F11. F4 is right. Okay. The point for Matt, and F11. If we take F11, actually it's not right. Actually, the total is placed in the cell F10. Okay. So when we dragged it, previously it was F10 for Salim, but when we dragged it, F11, F10 also got increased by F11. And if you check the other cells also, the same condition is there. The cell values are incrementing, that's right, but 5 should be incremented. The, but the F10 column should not be incremented. That's why we are getting the error message. So in this case, we need to lock the cell F10. Okay. So let's see how we can lock it. Just go back to Salim's percentage. Click on the formula. Okay. Here we can see F3 by 10, F10. So in all the other records, F10 should be static. It should be constant. Okay. It should not change. So we need to lock F10. So how we can lock? Just uh, click the pointer anywhere on F10 and click on the button on your keyboard, which is F4 function button. F F4. Okay. So, see, now it has been locked. You can see two dollar signs in front of F. Okay. Uh, in the beginning and ending of F. Okay. So F10 has been locked here. Okay, I'm clicking on enter. So now if you drag the cell down, you will get the perfect answer for all the records. Okay. So if you check on maths and you check the formula, F10 has not been incremented. It's staying constant. And all the cells, it's the same case. F10 is constant, but the first one, F5, it will get incremented in the next cell and so on. It has not been locked, so it will get increased whenever we drag that. But F10 remains the same, and hence we'll be getting the accurate data for all the cells. Okay. So that's it from my side. It's a small tip for everyone because I'm getting a lot of messages on why this. A lot of people are getting a similar error message. So that's why I thought of coming up with a small video on how to tackle that issue. Okay. So that's all for now. Hope you like the video. So if you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow. And till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye.